Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel SRK Pune Academy. In our world-class manufacturing system, today we will study topic number 12, that is Six Sigma. In world-class manufacturing system, till now we have completed 11 topics, whose video are available on our channel. In the upcoming videos, we will complete all the remaining topics, so please stay with the channel, subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end, so that you will become an expert in world-class manufacturing system. Today, we'll explore how Six Sigma supports WCM by reducing variation, eliminating defects, and driving continuous improvement. World-class manufacturing, or WCM, aims at achieving zero losses, zero waste, and zero defects. Six Sigma is a structured, data-driven methodology that fits perfectly within WCM to help achieve global competitiveness. It allows organizations to minimize errors and maximize customer satisfaction. Six Sigma is a process improvement methodology that reduces variation and defects in processes. The ultimate goal is to achieve near-perfect quality with only 3.4 defects per million opportunities. It combines statistical analysis with a structured improvement process. Six Sigma can be defined as a disciplined, statistical-based problem-solving approach. It focuses on setting measurable goals, identifying root causes, and implementing solutions that are sustainable. In simple terms, it's about solving the right problem in the right way. The roots of Six Sigma go back to the 1980s at Motorola. Engineer Bill Smith introduced the concept in 1986 with the aim of improving product quality and reducing process variation. Motorola achieved dramatic improvements in quality and customer satisfaction, setting a new benchmark. In the 1990s, General Electric under Jack Welch adopted Six Sigma as a strategic initiative. GE saved billions of dollars and showcased Six Sigma's value on a global stage. This led to widespread adoption across industries including automotive, healthcare, IT, and manufacturing. The core concepts of Six Sigma are 1. Focus on the customer. 2. Make decisions based on data. 3. Reduce process variation. 4. Drive continuous improvement. 5. Use a project-based approach. And 6. Involve people at all levels of the organization. These concepts align directly with the principles of WCM. The key elements of Six Sigma include its philosophy, metrics, methodology, tools, and culture. The philosophy emphasizes waste and defect reduction. Metrics include measures like sigma levels and defects per million opportunities. Methodologies such as DMAIC and the DMADV guide improvement and design. And finally, Six Sigma builds a culture of discipline and continuous improvement. DMAIC is the backbone of Six Sigma improvement projects. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This cycle ensures that problems are clearly defined, data is accurately measured, root causes are analyzed, solutions are implemented, and improvements are sustained over time. When designing new processes or products, Six Sigma uses the DMADV. This stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. It ensures that new designs meet customer requirements from the start and prevents quality issues before they occur. Six Sigma uses a variety of tools to identify and solve problems. These include statistical process control, Pareto analysis, fishbone diagrams, failure mode and effects analysis, and regression analysis. Each tool plays a role in identifying variation and eliminating its causes. Additional tools include control charts, histograms, process maps, scatter diagrams, and root cause analysis methods such as the 5 Whys. These tools are simple yet powerful, and they help teams visualize problems and implement solutions effectively. The defect matrix measures quality performance using defects per million opportunities, or DPMO. At Six Sigma, the process produces just 3.4 defects per million. Lower sigma levels correspond to higher defect rates. This metric helps organizations quantify performance and set improvement targets. Six Sigma uses a belt system similar to martial arts to define roles and responsibilities. Yellow belts have basic knowledge, green belts lead smaller projects, black belts manage complex projects full-time, and master black belts provide training and mentorship. Champions, usually senior leaders, ensure alignment with organizational goals. The benefits of Six Sigma are significant. It improves product quality and reliability, reduces variation, and increases customer satisfaction. Organizations also benefit from lower costs through reduced waste and rework. Beyond cost and quality improvements, Six Sigma strengthens employee involvement, supports WCM pillars like quality, safety, and delivery, and builds a culture of continuous improvement. It enhances competitiveness in both domestic and global markets. Implementing Six Sigma is not without challenges. It requires strong leadership commitment, significant training investment, and a cultural shift. Employees may resist change, and projects can fail if they're not aligned with company goals. There's also a risk of relying too heavily on statistics without practical application. Critics argue that Six Sigma can be rigid and bureaucratic. It may not be suitable for creative or research-driven environments. Some organizations misuse Six Sigma for short-term cost savings rather than long-term innovation. Ultimately, success depends heavily on leadership and culture. In the context of world-class manufacturing, Six Sigma integrates seamlessly with Kaizen, Lean, and TPM. It provides the data-driven structure needed to achieve zero defects, zero waste, and continuous improvement. It is a critical enabler of operational excellence within WCM. To summarize, Six Sigma is a methodology, a culture, and a set of tools for process improvement. It was born at Motorola, scaled by General Electric, and is now used worldwide. It uses DMAIC and DMADV as its core methods, supported by belts and defect metrics. The benefits are clear: reduced defects, cost savings, and improved customer satisfaction. While challenges exist, when integrated with WCM, Six Sigma becomes a powerful pathway to achieving world-class performance. Thank you for watching and understanding presentation. To get such important presentations, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do comment and let us know how you like this video. Our next video will be on Lean Production System. Thank you very much.